because as you can see, I'm watering my California pepper in the rainwater, my wheelbarrow. And as you can see, I've been out here weed whacking. I just cut the grass because we're supposed to be having some more rain rolling in. And I want to make sure that my grass is cut low so I don't have to deal with all that madness of after the rain and how thick it is. But I wanted to show you guys the parsnips. Now, I've never grown parsnips before, but the pear is half long. They're coming in pretty good. I got 1, 2, and then 3 over there. And then hollow crown parsnips. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and they look pretty good. I'm gonna give them some water. But I also looked over here and I saw that I had some more of these scapes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these scapes. See, I have scapes all over here. So I'm just gonna pop these scapes off because I tried the other one that I got and it was so good, you guys. So every time I see a scape on my onions, and I need to give these onions a serious haircut for sure. And I got one here. Pop this one off. So look at them. Look at this. I've got a total of 4 scapes that I will be taking care of, chopping them up, putting them in my Ziploc bag. So let's walk over here because I see a scape over here as well. So let's go ahead and grab this one too, which is perfect. Look at my wheelbarrow over here. The wheelbarrow is coming in nicely. Look at that. It's pretty. And then my Japanese maple tree is showing out. And then this is what I wanted to show you guys. Remember I told you I was going to show you what my foxgloves look like? Well, let me pan over here and get ready for the foxglove show. All right, let me get over here. Look at this. Look how beautiful these foxgloves are. Let me see if I got my gloves on. But look at these. Look how beautiful these are. Let me take my gloves off and then I'll be able to give you a better look of what the foxgloves looks like. And my peppers are doing pretty good. My rose bush, pink rose bush is showing out. So let me show you the foxgloves up close and personal. Show you the foxgloves. See how close I can get so you guys be able to see. Look at that. Look how tall that one is. All the way from there, all the way down. I got the dark pink, light pink. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And look at what's in the inside of the foxglove. You see the coloration of it? I think those are beautiful. And then you got the pink ones. Look at the little spots inside of that one. And then the white one. There they go. There's their spots inside the little plumes. And the hummingbirds love, love, love these foxgloves. So if you have foxgloves, this is what they will look like in your garden. Remember, foxgloves are poisonous, so don't let your animals or anybody eat them. I don't know about, touching your skin because I always have my gloves on and I never handle them without my gloves on. So safety, safety first. And look at this hosta right here. This big boy right here is showing out. Look at that. I love a big, beautiful hosta. But I wanted to show you that. Remember I told you Woodpecker came back into my yard and he was working on that stump? Chow, let me show you what that stump looked like now. It's the stump. Let me see if I can focus it in on you so y'all can see. Look at that. He was throwing down on that stump. Look at all the bark and stuff on the ground, and look at the stump. Woody says, I'm coming back to take care of that stump for you, Renee, which is fine with me because I've been wanting to get rid of that stump for a long, long time. So Woody is on the job. Go ahead, Woody. Do what you do. Over here is where I have my squash over here. all in these containers here, and I put protective covering over them because I didn't want the birds and stuff to take my squash out. So let's open up one of these squash and see how they looking. Let's see this one. Ooh, that one's doing really good. Woohoo! I'm gonna have to upgrade this to my basket. Sorry, my hand's shaking, because when you use a weed whacker, child, your hand starts to get tired and start vibrating. So let me cover this one back up, and I'll show you a couple of more. Hold on. Sorry, there goes my hand just a wobbling. All right, if I hold it like this, maybe I can do it this way. Whew, because your girl was working out that weed whacker today. So that's all my squash. And then I have this one over here. And this one is look like it's coming through the top. So that one looks good. I'm going to have to eventually take these off and just let them fly solo. But I'm so scared that these animals will come and just take it over. Let's come and check out these ones over here. Look at this one. That one's doing really good too. See? Real good. So I'm going to keep them covered up because, like I said, we got the rain coming tonight and tomorrow. So that'll give them a good opportunity to get them a good drink. Oh, and my kale, my Russian kale is doing really good. Remember how small they were when I planted them? So I need to get some more tulle, and I need to put them over the rings like I have over here. And the broccoli over there is doing good. Purple broccoli is coming in. But my Russian kale is looking really good. And I still haven't moved these Oregon giant peas yet. I'll probably do that probably tomorrow after it gets a good rain. And then I'll stick them in their pots. Because I don't want to move them now. Because I don't want to put them into shock. So that's what your girl is doing out here. I'm just roaming around, looking at my stuff. And I don't know about these onions down here, you guys. I think this might have not been a good spot to put my onions. I mean, they've got good tops and stuff on them. Maybe I just need to trim them and then maybe put some mulch or something on them or around them so they can do a little better. But this is that landscape fabric stuff I brought from Temu. Remember they had the pre-holes all in them? That was not a good purchase on my end for sure. So I don't know about these beans. Some of these beans are growing. Let me show you. Let me get on the other side. Some of these are growing, but some, like these, are the provider beans. Now this, I know is a bean. This one right here, I don't think that's a bean. Because that don't look like a bean to me. That looks like some kind of a weed or a flower. I know that is a weed. So we just have to wait and see, child. And see how these beans played out. Because I have ordered some of my strike bush beans that I had last year. So they should be coming in the mail any day now. So when that pops in, then I'll do a mail call. And we will get the strike beans planted because I know those beans will grow. So everything over here looks pretty good. My nice corbel down there is growing perfectly. And my cucumbers are doing good. Let's take this one, see? They're doing really good under the domes, which I like because they can't be touched. But I think this one right here, I'm going to have to get the wire basket and put on this one because then it'll give it more room to grow, because I think I'm hindering it by not letting it be able to extend its wings, as I say, the leaves and stuff to grow. So I got to be conscious of that. So I'll be putting that out after we get all this rain and stuff. So far so looking good over here, you guys. I'm so excited about my cucumbers are looking good. My Amish melons are looking good. My honeydew melon didn't do so well. Look at it. It's like a big, I don't know, little baby green. So I got more in the house. So I'll probably go ahead and let that bring that one out. And this one is doing good. And that's my Amish melon, see? Can you guys see it? That's doing real good. I keep them opened up so it can get some of the air in there. But Rocky been sniffing over here though. He been looking, trying to see what's going on over here. So I'm gonna leave this one uncovered and we gonna see what happens. I'll put this in front of it, maybe as a deterrent to the critters, so they may not mess with it, and I hope the birds won't come and bite the tops off. That would just hurt my heart for sure if I come out here and it don't have no top on it no more. Alright guys, I've been messing with this grass and all these clippings, starting to make me itch. So let me finish doing what I need to do because I got some more weed whacking. I gotta get the weeds over there, and I got some underneath, but I haven't seen hard shell Louie in a while. So I've seen Chunky a lot, but I haven't seen hard shell Louie. Isn't that a beautiful hosta? I love my hostas. I love them because I love the most of them are the variegated one. Oh, and let me show you this big, huge one up on the top of my heel. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but let's give it a try. You see that big one right there? Look how huge this one is. That's as close as I can get. But look how big those hostas are up there. And then I have one over here in the corner. Can you guys see that one by that tree? That arborvitae? That's huge. And I need to get out here and do some weeding because I got my daylilies rolling out. And my other big boy hosta right there in front of my boxwoods is coming into play. Got all that creeping Jenny right here. Check this out. I just opened up my compost bin and look at all that with my leaf mold that I've been working on because I purchased 2 more of these 17-gallon buckets because I want to put some tomatoes in here. So check this out. Look how good this soil looks. Oh, and by the way, Clausen World, thank you, girl, for giving me the hookup on going to Harbor Freight. I got my pitchfork, baby. And look, now I can take my pitchfork and look how good I can mix up this compost. Look how good. You guys hear that noise in the back? That's Woody Woodpecker. But look how good that compost looks. So I'm going to put that compost that I have here. Look at this. Look how good that looks, you guys. That's some good looking compost. And I'm going to stick it right here in this container. And then I'm going to fill it up halfway. But I'm going to go and get my wheelbarrow so I can put this in my wheelbarrow so I can fill it up and plant the tomatoes in my garage. And then when it stops raining, then I can take these containers out into their permanent home. But y'all, I am so excited about, look how beautiful that soil looks. Telling you, and I didn't have to go to the store and buy any of this. It was just materials that I had in my backyard. And I am so excited about my pitchfork. Yeah, I got this from Harbor Freight and it was $22. $22. I am excited because you guys know I've been wanting a pitchfork forever. So your girl got her pitchfork and I was able to get 2 more of these and I'm excited about that too. So let me go ahead and do what I need to do, and I'm also going to put some of these grass clippings, see, from my lawnmower that I just cut the grass. I'm going to stick some of that into these containers as well, and then your girl going to be hooked up. And look at my garlic bed over there. Garlic looks good, but it just has all those weeds in there. Whew, that's for another video, child. Another video. So let me go get my wheelbarrow. I have my grass clippings in here. I put some of this beautiful compost in here. I'm going to mix it all together, and then I'm going to put this rest of this compost onto the top, and then I'm going to wheel it into the garage, and I'll make another video showing you guys me planting up my tomatoes, and I'll put some marigolds in here as well. So with that being said, alrighty guys, I'm going to end it here because I want to get this all done because it's starting to get dark out here, and I want to say, whoo-hoo, I got the grass cut, I got it weed whacked, I got these two 17-gallon buckets getting prepped and ready for their tomatoes, and then I have done a lot today. So, all right, guys, let your girl finish this up, and I hope you guys had a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed your day. If you had good weather, because I had to come out here late in the evenings. But oh, let's go check on the corn while I'm out here. Let's go walk on over here and check on this corn, child, and see how it's doing. Well, you know, I planted up some, so the corn that I originally have in here, the sweet corn, they are doing great. They're getting tall, they're getting a little bushier, which I love because that's all of Mother Nature's rainwater. So, all right, guys, keep your fingers crossed for me with this corn. Oh, and I have my first, I found my first potato flower. Let's go over here and walk and look at these and see if I can find the potato flower. Oh, here it is. Look at this, you guys. Woohoo! My potato flower. Isn't that beautiful? And look how gorgeous these potatoes are looking. This whole line. I got my purple, and I have my Yukon Gold, and I have one other potato. I can't remember it right now, but there's 3 different varieties of potatoes down here in all these 17-gallon buckets, and those other 2 buckets are going to go here. I might can do 1, 2, 3. I can probably get 2 more of those buckets down this line, but I got to keep this spot open because this is where, you know, I put all my, I come down here with my lawnmower, and these are my peas. I don't see any flowers or anything yet, but I'm gonna keep looking. And here's another potato. So oh, there's a flower on, that's the Oregon giant snow pea, the ones I transplanted here. Look, flower, flower. So that means I'm gonna get my first Oregon giant snow pea. Woohoo! This was a good day, you guys. A good day. All right, let me finish what I gotta do so I can get done. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Renee's Garden, and give the girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have another video coming your way. Now let's head on back to where I was so I can get this completed and finished. Oh, and thanks again, Closton World, for the heads up on my pitchfork. Woohoo! I got it, I got it. All right, guys, take care.